In a world where fashion changes every week, the Amish have held on to something timeless. For centuries, their dresses have been made entirely by hand, stitched with patience, precision, and purpose. But what looks like simple clothing hides secrets of faith, family, and tradition that most outsiders never see. Today, we take you inside the process of how Amish women make their dresses, step by step, and discover the powerful meaning woven into every thread. The meaning behind the dress. While the outside world rushes through endless cycles of fashion trends, Amish women maintain a quiet tradition that has endured for centuries. Their dresses are not designed to make a statement about wealth, individuality, or style, but about faith and humility. Each garment represents a conscious rejection of vanity and excess, with every stitch placed as an act of devotion. These dresses are more than coverings. They are symbols of identity and belonging within the Amish community. To an outsider, they may appear simple, almost uniform, but within Amish society, these dresses carry subtle meanings that communicate values, heritage, and even a woman's role within her community. The consistency in design serves as a reminder of unity and faith, while the hidden details, recognizable only to insiders, reflect individuality in a quiet, sacred way. To wear one of these dresses is to embody centuries of tradition and to embrace a higher calling that places community and spiritual devotion above self-expression and vanity. Pattern preparation. The blueprints of Amish dressmaking are stored in cedar chests, treated like family treasures, more valuable than gold. These patterns are not store-bought templates, but fragile paper guides that may have been cut and traced by grandmothers and great-grandmothers. Unlike modern seamstresses who rely on rulers or measuring tapes, Amish women often use plain string, yet achieve a mathematical precision that rivals modern methods. Laying out the fabric pieces is an art in itself, with pattern placement done as carefully as a chess player setting the board, ensuring little to no fabric waste, a principle embraced by the Amish long before zero waste became a fashion industry buzzword. Some patterns even carry coded marks, small notations, or subtle designs that only family members understand. These act as a silent dialogue passed through generations, like secret messages written in thread. To outsiders, they appear as simple paper templates, but to Amish women, these patterns are sacred connections to their ancestry, a continuity of skill and devotion that ensures every dress is not just made, but preserved as part of a greater legacy. The first steps and tools. Before the first cut is made, the tools of Amish sewing are prepared. Items that look like museum pieces, but are cherished family heirlooms. Heavy steel scissors dulled and sharpened by generations, thimbles worn smooth from decades of use, and pin cushions stitched by great-grandmothers still serve their purpose. Cutting is often done on sturdy wooden tables that double as family dining spaces, blending daily life with sacred craft. What might look like an ordinary step, cutting fabric into shape, takes on profound meaning. Many Amish women pause in silent prayer before they begin, turning the task into a moment of devotion. In these homes, sewing is not a mindless chore, but a spiritual practice. Every piece of fabric is handled with reverence, and each cut is guided by care, precision, and intention. This transformation of ordinary tools and steps into sacred rituals reflects the broader Amish worldview, that all work, when done with humility and faith, becomes an act of worship. Fabric selection. Choosing fabric for an Amish dress is not a casual decision. It's a ritual in itself. Unlike modern shoppers who flip through glossy catalogs or browse online stores, Amish women judge cloth with a keen and experienced touch. They stretch it between their fingers, scratch it lightly with their nails, and pull it to test its resilience. These time-honored methods are so precise that many women can predict a fabric's lifespan, sometimes up to a decade, simply by feel. The choice of color is also deliberate. Blues, purples, and greens may seem arbitrary to outsiders, but within Amish circles, each hue can signal subtle community traditions or meanings. To us, these dresses may look uniformly plain, but to the Amish, color is a quiet language of belonging. What makes this remarkable is that Amish women, without the tools of industrial science, often demonstrate a skill that rivals professional textile engineers. Their choices ensure not only durability and practicality, but also continuity of tradition, where every yard of cloth becomes part of a living story passed from one generation to the next. Basic construction. The bodice. The dress begins with the bodice, and it is here that Amish skill truly shines. Shoulder seams are joined with running stitches so fine and consistent, 8 to 10 per inch, that the result rivals machine work. Unlike factory-made garments, however, These hand stitches possess a natural elasticity, allowing the seams to bend and move with the body without tearing. The neckline receives special care, finished with a facing technique, where an additional fabric piece is whip-stitched and turned inward, leaving a smooth, irritation-free edge. The sleeves are equally thoughtful. Instead of cutting them to shape, Amish women gather rectangular pieces with 2 rows of running stitches, pulling them into even fullness before attaching them with reinforced back stitches. This creates a sleeve that is modest yet practical, offering full range of motion for farm work and daily chores. Notably, the bodice's side seams remain open until the skirt is attached, making future adjustments easier. A practical touch that ensures the dress can serve for years, adapting as the wearer grows or changes. Creating the skirt. The skirt is constructed from wide rectangular panels, each about 36 inches across, joined into a generous tube of fabric. Amish skirts often measure up to 144 inches in circumference, far fuller than modern skirts, providing ease of movement for chores, walking, and working in the fields. The gathered top edge is drawn carefully to match the bodice, then joined with a specialized felled stitch that lies flat against the body and eliminates bulk. The result is both strong and comfortable, engineered for all-day wear. The hem is equally deliberate, folded twice into a deep 3 to 4 inch band, secured with near-invisible herringbone stitches. This hem adds weight to help the skirt hang smoothly, while also serving as a hidden reserve of fabric that can be let down as a girl grows taller. These skirts are living garments, designed to evolve with their wearers. They embody both practicality and subtle elegance, proving that even in simplicity, design can achieve harmony of function and form. Cape and apron construction. 2 distinct elements set Amish dresses apart: the cape and the apron. The cape, shaped like a heart, drapes over the shoulders and chest, serving as both a modest covering and a marker of tradition. Its edges are hemmed with tiny slip stitches, so fine they are nearly invisible, preventing fraying even after years of use. What makes the cape unique is how it is attached, not sewn permanently, but secured with straight pins in diamond-shaped patterns at the shoulders and waist. These pin arrangements vary slightly from one Amish community to another, acting as subtle identifiers of belonging. The apron, by contrast, is purely functional but equally refined. Built from a rectangular panel with a reinforced waistband and long, durable ties, it is designed to endure daily wear and constant washing. Yet, its positioning and silhouette are carefully considered, ensuring modesty and balance in the overall design. Together, the cape and apron complete the dress, blending practicality with tradition and adding a layer of silent identity within Amish culture. Specialized stitching techniques. The true artistry of Amish dressmaking lies in the stitching. The basic running stitch is elevated to a level of precision rarely seen outside their communities. Each stitch is an identical 1/8 of an inch, creating a visual rhythm as consistent as the beats of a metronome. Strength is added where needed with modified back stitches, while gathering follows exact ratios passed down through generations. Blind hemming ensures hems appear seamless from the outside, while easing techniques allow sleeves to curve smoothly into armholes without puckering, all done without the aid of pins. These methods require years of practice, but once mastered, they create garments of extraordinary durability and beauty. What sets this apart from industrial sewing is not just precision, but control, the ability to manipulate fabric with nothing but fingers and thread. Every stitch embodies discipline, patience, and the pursuit of perfection in simplicity, transforming these dresses into testaments of human skill and devotion. Closures and functional elements. Amish dresses feature no zippers, buttons, or snaps, items deemed worldly, fragile, or unnecessary. Instead, they rely on pins. Straight pins are placed along the dress closure at exact intervals, secured in a way that ensures they will not shift during movement. The method is ingenious. Pins are inserted horizontally, turned vertically, and reinserted, creating closures that are strong yet easily adjustable. Pockets are integrated into the side seams with reinforced stitching, deep enough to hold practical items. Cuffs are built with facings similar to necklines, ensuring durability under constant wear, and secured with pins for ease of cleaning and ironing. Most importantly, Amish dresses are designed with adaptation in mind. Extra allowances in seams and hems mean that a single garment can be resized and adjusted as needed, reflecting a philosophy of sustainability that predates the modern movement by centuries. These functional choices prove that Amish dressmaking is as much about practicality as it is about faith and tradition. complete garment assembly and finishing. Once all components are prepared, the dress comes together through final assembly. Bodice and skirt are joined, side seams are flat-felled for strength, and every raw edge is enclosed. Flat felling, a technique now found in high-end denim, has been part of Amish dressmaking for centuries. Pressing is done with heavy irons heated on wood stoves, setting stitches firmly into the fabric and ensuring the garment holds its shape. Stress points, underarms, pockets, waistlines receive extra rows of stitching for reinforcement, executed so neatly that the strength is hidden. Finally, every dress undergoes an inspection. Seams are checked, stitches reviewed, and if anything falls short, it is redone patiently, without shortcuts. The final garment is more than utilitarian clothing. It is a piece of living tradition. Its proportions and design follow principles of timeless balance, creating a silhouette that is elegant in its simplicity. This attention to detail elevates the finished dress into a symbol of devotion, skill, and endurance. The living tradition, Amish dressmaking, is not frozen in time. It breathes, evolves, and adapts subtly with each generation. Minor changes, such as adjusting to new fabric types or refining seam techniques, are invisible to outsiders but meaningful within the community. Knowledge is transferred through practice, a grandmother guiding a child's first stitches, a mother teaching her daughter the values behind each seam, or women sharing specialties like gathers or straight seams. Each dress carries the maker's imprint. Many Amish women can recognize who stitched a garment simply by the style of the sewing. Dresses outlast their wearers, often repurposed into quilts or children's clothing, extending the maker's presence into future generations. In this way, every dress embodies both individuality and community, existing as part of a larger tapestry of Amish life. Beyond the fabric, these garments stand as symbols of sustainability, devotion, and resistance to the disposable culture of the modern world. In every finished dress lies a philosophy, patience, humility, and a connection to something greater than oneself. As the final stitch is placed, the Amish dress becomes more than just clothing. It becomes a symbol of devotion, sustainability, and community. Each garment is designed to last for years, carrying the spirit of the maker through generations. In a world of fast fashion, these dresses stand as a quiet but powerful reminder. True beauty lies not in trends, but in timeless craftsmanship and values that never fade. If you enjoyed this journey into Amish tradition, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more videos uncovering the wisdom of simple living.